Well, hello and welcome to Alex's Wardrobe. So, if you may or may not have already seen this beauty, I did a review on it recently. It is a stunning, beautiful blue dress wrap over from Temu. Let me bring you up close and just show you this detailing. Look at the flowers, look at the detail. This is such a classy dress. Everything to the length of it. I'm going to look at the length there. It's got a beautiful length on it. Love it. Anyway, it's not what we're here for today. So that was quickly changed, wasn't it? Today I'm going to be doing a review on this outfit. So these are two pieces that I recently picked up from Temu. I do love the Temu boho kind of range. It's huge and it's very affordable. So you will find quite a few bits from there. So the first piece we're going to look at is this stunning, I would say paisley design. Paisley skirt. Now can you see that lovely detailing? It's short at the front and long at the back. So that I think is really going to be flattering. So I got this in these fabulous neutral tones. Let me bring it in for you. So we're going with lovely neutral beiges and creams in there. There's a bit of black, but then we've got this gorgeous warm orange and rust, which is why this makeup I thought was going to work so well with this, much better than it does with the blue dress. And then the pièce de résistance, this is a very pretty, slightly cropped. It's not cropped, it's not going to come like right under the boobs, but it is slightly cropped. It's going to be waist length, and this is a crocheted little knitted one. Let me see if I can separate that out so you can really see. Yes, look, so you can see that lovely detail. Now I picked this up in a large. I was slightly concerned that it was going to be tiny, but as you can see, it's actually pretty good. It's not bad at all. And those tones are just fabulous. So I'm going to slip this on and then let's style it up. Ready? So here I am back with the full outfit. So how great is this? Let me go through a couple of details. I've also brought in a little extra because you know that when I'm styling, I want it styled up beautifully. So let's take a look. First of all, this top sits absolutely perfectly. You can see here, it's got reasonably short straps, which is lovely. So it puts it at a really great neckline. And it is cropped, and so it gives a really great shape. Look, longer at the back, shorter at the front, but not cropped like up here. It's cropped at a great length. The skirt also very comfortable, and the skirt comes with a little zip on the side, which is really helpful to get in and out of it because it doesn't have any stretch. But what I do love is it sits really high. That is fantastic. Look how good this looks now together. It's like it was made to go together. So we're going to style it up a little bit with my cowgirl boots, of course. Actually, before we do this, can I just show you an alternative? Because I do still have these pretty little block shoes. And I think, do you know what? If we were going somewhere in summer, I feel like this could be a bit of a vibe, don't you? I feel like this would definitely work really well. I'm not going to do them up properly because it's just a faff to get them off. Let's take a look at what these look like first. And a block heel for, you know, middle-aged ladies is the way to go. It's very difficult to walk around for lengths of time wearing stiletto heels these days. Listen, if you can do it, all kudos to you. I'm very impressed. And I certainly wear them when I work often, but really, a good block heel is much more comfortable, especially if you're going out in the day. Okay, let's take a look, shall we? And let's have, oh, look at those. Well, that's a really pretty, perfect match, isn't it? That's really nice. I love that. So the other thing I wanted to add in, where have I put it? Here it is. You know, when I'm styling, I talk about with boho, you want to layer. Layering is so important. I have this great little sort of waistcoat vest, if you like, but again, crocheted. So we are doing crochet on crochet, but I don't mind that. I'm not mad at it. I'm going to pop this on, just stick it over the top there, and just allow it to fall naturally. So we've got really great shapes going on here. This is water falling down, this is water falling down. That silhouette is amazing. Got my handbag here. Let's just do that with a few ruffles on it, bringing in the darker tones from the skirt. What do you think? This is a really, really pretty outfit. So, do you have a good pair of block heels in your wardrobe? Would you invest in this as an outfit? Personally, I'm in love with it. I'm going to just pop on the boots as well. So we could take this from like quite a cute evening outfit, I think, or maybe lunch with the girls, to something that's very comfortable and very wearable so easily by just popping on my cowgirl boots. And I can't rave about these enough, because we're going to say it again. It's not always easy to walk around in heeled shoes all day long, and especially if you're out in London or you're going to a festival or you're just out all day. These are so comfy. Look at them, they're amazing. These were also from Temu. They do a huge selection, but these ones were particularly nice because they have this gorgeous embroidery on them. So let's take a look at this outfit fully together. Okay, we're going with our fringed bag. This skirt is really, really comfortable. And can you see where I'm talking about it being so flattering? This shape here, cut away, exposing the boots, just makes this an incredible outfit. I wonder what this would look like with my hair up. 1 second, I'm just going to take a look. Yeah, I also think ponytail. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Well, there's not much else I can say. I really need to hear your opinion. Is this a gorgeous, chic bohemian style, but modern enough for you to wear? Would you feel comfortable in it? And are the tones something that you enjoy? Let me just bring you in and we'll just let you take a little look at some of those patterns. You've got that gorgeous paisley, wonderful crochet there, beautiful detailing, this great little vest with this lovely waterfall shape. Well, I've absolutely loved coming in today and doing a styling session with you. I am very interested to know what your thoughts are on this modern bohemian style of dressing. Do you find that it's comfortable for our middle-aged ladies? You don't have to be middle-aged, by the way, to dress like this. I think anyone would look super cute in it, but I am mindfully aware that this is really aimed at ladies that perhaps, so I live with a chronic pain condition, and one of the things I just cannot stand are things that are really tight around my waist anymore, or around my liver. I have some damage there. I'm not an alcoholic, by the way, just so you know. But so wearing tight things can really make me feel quite anxious, actually. It makes me feel a bit sick and nauseous. So I'm always going to bring you comfortable styling that you can wear all day long and just feel your very best self. Thank you so much for coming in today. I have loved having you on my channel, and I'm really excited to be launching this channel. So it is only a baby channel, and if there's any chance, if you've liked this, if you've enjoyed it today, would you maybe like and subscribe for me? I would absolutely love to have you as part of my little community, and I'm really invested in bringing you lots and lots of modern styling that you can just keep up with whenever you want. Thank you so much for coming in today. Happy listening, and I will speak to you very soon. Mwah. Have an amazing day.